Reducing interest loan schedule. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a reducing interest loan schedule. A loan schedule tells you how much you owe after every month to the bank. So it works out what is your principal, okay, and then works out the interest on that principal, take away any repayments, and that's how much you owe. And then the cycle goes again. So one thing we do need to know is what our interest formula is. Okay, so we know that the amount or the balance is going to be P times 1 plus R on N to the NT if we're working it out over the life of the loan. So we're going to work out how much is it going to be after 20 years. But if we're working out month to month, we don't want to know what it is at the end of the loan. We want to just know what it is at the end of the month. So we actually drop these guys. Okay, so this is the monthly calculation. So say I had 7%. Okay, my rate was 7%. When I go and plug it in, and it's monthly, so it's 12 months, n equals 12. Okay, when I go and plug it in, I'll have this. Okay, my amount or my balance is my principal times 1 plus 7 on 12. Okay, which is then going to become principal times 7 divided by 12 is 0.00583. Yeah, this is just turning into 1 plus that is just going to be 1.00583. So this formula simplifies down to just a simple multiplication. Whatever your principal is, times by this. Okay, where this part is your monthly interest rate, which is why we divided by 12. Okay, so that's all we're doing in this column, in the balance column. Okay, so our principal here at month 0 is $2,000. Okay, and our principal $200,000. I'm going to make it 200,000. Okay, and then for the calculation for the first month, we're going to do this. Okay, so we're just going to take our principal, okay, which is our previous number. Okay, our balance equals 200,000, and we're going to multiply it by this number, 1.00583. This was if our interest rate was 7%. And that's going to get me 200,000 times 1.00583. Okay, $201,166. Okay, so my loan's gone up because of the interest that has been calculated on it. Now I take away any repayments. Okay, so I'm going to take this number and it's going to go up here. So let's say I repay $3,000 per month. Okay, so I'm going to take this number and I'm going to say, okay, my new principal is $201,166. Take away $3,000. I'll do that. 3,000 is $198,166. Okay, that's my new balance owing at the end of the first month. To work out how much I owe at the end of the second month, I'm going to take this number and put him here. Okay, so balance is my previous month's balance, 198,166. I'm going to times it by my number there, which was my monthly interest rate. That's going to go up. Okay, so I'm going to times it by 1.00583, okay, which is going to be 1993 to 31. Okay, and then take off my repayment, move him up into this here. Principal, okay, is 19932131. Take 3,000. Okay, take away 3,000 is 196321.31. Okay, and then the cycle repeats down to the third month. You just move him down into the third month. Okay, that's how you do a loan schedule.